in this video I want to show you how to connect Wi-Fi network with Heelly Projector. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings, navigate to networking settings. Then you'll be able to find the Wi-Fi that needs to be enabled, and here you can see all of the networks that can be connected with your projector. Select one of them. Apparently there's even 5G, so now we need to enter that password. Okay, so on the keyboard, don't close it, just click on that OK button and it should connect with that network. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.